back in Mass today because we didn't get to finish what we wanted to do, or Dalton didn't get to finish last week. But we got good news. Car is running, still runs. After the test drive you guys just saw, it was running fine, and then I guess Dalton went home. He came back, checked on it, and
I got a coolant leak and an oil leak. I don't know how, man. I don't know, but
she was running fine the day that we drove on it. So I don't know, but he got that fixed. So now we got the toy hauler, because he's about to hauler his toys. I don't even know. He's about to haul his toy. Where was the leak that you were talking about?
So the coolant leak that I had. So it's gonna be really hard to see, but in the back, I don't know if you can see where that clamp is. I had a hose back there leaking down to my transmission, and then it was going down my exhaust, and it was leaving puddles and puddles and puddles, bro.
Is this one of those puddles?
This is one of them. I had to buy a whole nother bottle. Had half of the freaking thing in the car fucking pour on me. I was bathing in fucking coolant. Oh, you see that? Look at that. There's more in here, bro. Like,
oh my god,
bro, like it was bad. Oh, sounds good every time.
Everybody, go ahead, everybody. I'm the man, I'm the man, I'm the man. Well, you can tell everybody.
we back. Arise, my son, arise.
Oh, we just gotta get the board set up. It'll be golden. I think I'm gonna line the car up first, and then we'll do the boards.
Yeah, I agree.
Just so we're not trying to determine where it's gonna go. I did that. It was bad the other day. I didn't even look for a fucking leak, bro. What am I doing?
Is there any leaks?
Nope.
Looking good.
Fucking beautiful.
Your fucking car is low as shit. Holy fuck.
I know, it hurts.
It's so low, bro.
Oh my, is it?
Yeah, I don't know. It might just be like the way it looks, because it's a coupe.
Could be.
But that shit, or at least the front, is fucking mean angle towards the front.
Yeah.
Makes it look good. Putting the bumper on. Y'all about to be chilling up here for a little bit.
Bro, it's crazy sharing my Bluetooth. Like, it's crazy that my phone still connects to the Bluetooth. Like,
Your phone, really?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Look at that, bro. Look at that. Look at that. Bro. Yeah, you pump that thing, boy. Pump it.
Pump it. Pump it.
Yeah.
All right. So, yeah, that's going to be really close.
Yeah.
Like, I think
Very close.
Let's try it.
Let's do it.
Oh, God, maybe I have to take the bumper off. I don't know.
All right. Next step, ladies and gentlemen.
All right.
We are getting the car on the flatbed.
All right.
This is your bumper.
Like, how hard?
Huh?
What do you mean?
It's your bumper. It's just the bottom of your bumper.
Oh, no.
If you want to take it off,
I
you can
guess
probably
it's
take
coming
it off. Well, we've created a makeshift fucking. I don't know what the fuck this is.
I don't know what the fuck this is either. Let's see if I still don't move.
I'm watching your wheel. You're good. Jack is moving.
It is?
Yep. You're good. Just making noises. That's how close I am to losing my shit.
What about the other side?
The wheel is on top, like the tire. It hasn't touched the rim there though. How's it going?
No, wait.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Man, I'm a fucking genius. I'm gonna make a trailer that comes with these already on it.
Or make a trailer that doesn't have this fucking problem.
Fucking
trailer for low cars.
My ass, bro.
I think this is the fix. Oh shit. The car just moved. But I think I heard a snap and I think that was the fucking...
I think that was the bolt. One of the bolts.
Like coming off?
Yeah.
Well, you have a lot of clearance now. A lot. I'm feeling good about this one.
It's practically flat.
I'm feeling good about this one, Dalton.
Right?
I mean, at that point, like, at this point, this bitch is...
If this bitch doesn't go on, bro, it's the car. I'm over it. I'm over it. She's staying here.
Wait. Keep going. The jack is just moving, bro. Hold on. All right. It's just because this jack...
I know, it's because the trailer's moving. Watch.
Keep going. Just slowly. Let me check your wheel, though, real quick before you keep going.
Yeah, this wheel looks like about to pop, bro. Check the other side.
This one's good over here. It's like, by good, I mean it's not hitting the rim.
How are the jacks?
The back is looking good. You're good. Nice and easy. Take your time. Oh, my God. Beautiful. She's getting on there. She's coming home. As soon as that last wheel, let's go. Look at her. She's on, big boy. Big boy. Woo!
That was a headache. Oh
That
my
was.
God. How the fuck
Look
am
at
I
her
gonna
fucking
get...
contraction.
How am I gonna get out?
You're gonna have to climb out the window.
It's a fucking race car. Getting her ready
For
the haul.
Yeah. Alright, y'all, we're fucking leaving the shop. Look at her, there she goes. I'm still in reverse. Don't want to be in reverse before I hit somebody else's fucking... She's home. gotta try to unload this thing before the camera dies. So we're gonna get to it. You're good? Stay on the brake and just let it roll back.
It's not rolling, Miguel.
There you go. You're good. You're good. Wait. Because I didn't look at the front.
That's what I'm talking about, the front, Miguel.
Was this already scratched?
Miguel, you're gonna piss me off. Where? Yes, this was already some damage on this one.
Okay.
You would know if this was new. If this was new damage.
Okay. Slow. Hold on. Slow.
I'm stuck.
Don't. It's on your exhaust.
I know.
I think it's time to get the jacks out.
I think it's time to get the jacks out. Motherfucker. Keep pumping.
I hear it squeaking. Are you pumping too?
Yeah, we probably should not do it like this.
You know what though? You're clearing your.
Hold on.
Clearing it.
Hold on. My concern is I don't want to fuck up this. I want to be in the most middle portion of the fucking
thing you can be.
Oh, fuck. That's the problem right there. That's the problem right there.
Okay.
You ain't got no damn Obama fluid in here. Look at it. Your head gasket connected to your radiator. Your radiator is sitting on the damn thing. Oh, man.
You're not rubbing.
Look at that.
Keep
Look at
the
that. That's
steering
the
wheel
fucking
straight.
problem right there.
Don't.
Look at that. The timer belt is
I don't-
hooked
my
up to your
alignment's
brake
off.
pad.
I don't
Your
know.
brake pad running off your damn generator.
Then you're
You
good
got
right
a
there.
generator in here.
Just like that.
Look at that.
Wait. The jack fell.
Damn.
The
Out
jack
the
fell.
birth. Look at that. You see that
They
right there?
both fell.
That shit not even be that loose.
All right. That was scary. That was scary.
I was moving too much. It was because I caught the fucking. I caught this, so it slid back in.
I thought the car was coming down.
I just gotta go
Slow.
really slow.
One eternity later.
Been through it. Holy shit! Good shit, man. Congrats, dog.